PZA manyane pizza kuti urarame manyane pizza vakomana vechidiki manyane pizza vana baba.
A great Zimbabwe will not be built by leaders whose productivity does not match the honor conferred on them, or by rewarding them for work they do not do. We must take bold action to cut non-productive public spending by cutting the number of government ministries by over 50%, by eliminating all deputy minister positions and the office of second vice president, and by reducing the size of the legislature to pre-2013 levels. We can build a great nation by ensuring that there is a clear separation of powers between the executive and the legislature, and by broadening the talent pool from which government leaders can be drawn. We must therefore repeal the requirement for cabinet ministers to be members of parliament and the president's powers to appoint members of the legislature. We cannot build a great nation without an imaginative, daring, and ambitious infrastructure recovery and development plan that will target roads, energy, power and communications installations, transportation hubs, grain storage, water treatment and health facilities to service not only the needs of our people, but of the region. An innovative and bold infrastructure plan will create opportunities to engage international partners, transfer skills and knowledge, and generate critically needed jobs for our citizens. We will build a great nation when we no longer sacrifice the future of our children by defending the indefensible. We'll build a great nation when a policeman or a soldier no longer agrees to beat fellow citizens for exercising their constitutional right to demand government performance that will benefit the policemen and soldiers' own children. We will build a great nation when educated Zimbabweans no longer agree to work for months without pay for private companies owned by politically well-connected people who are themselves living large while claiming to have nothing to pay their workers. A great nation will be built when those who still remain who participated in the liberation struggle have the courage to reclaim the goals and ideals of that struggle by defending the right of every Zimbabwean citizen to participate fully in not only deciding the future of our beautiful country, but rebuilding it. Not only is this the time for those who truly have the interests of the people at heart, who feel the call to leadership to emerge and offer themselves to serve. It is time for those who are eligible to vote, to register to vote, and when the time comes, to actually go to the polls to vote. Zimbabwe, ilizwe letu, ilifa letu. Zimbabwe, our country, our heritage. Zimbabwe, nyika yedu, naka yedu.
Manyane pizza, PZA manyane pizza, kuti urara.